guys, we just got back from checking in. I am number 165 and this is our lanyard. And then we put my little Jake freebie around it. And then merch. I got one Brave Blood Saga t-shirt from my mom. One Jake slogan. Oh my god, he's beautiful. Look. I got one of the Simplest Weavers version. They were selling it and I needed to get it. So let's see who I got. The first thing there is the OT6 set. So we have all of these guys. Oh my gosh, Jake. And then for the other two, guess what I got? Jake! He's my vice worker. I have OT6 and the lyrics, I believe. I got the light stick decoration set. So basically at the top, it's like wings on top of the light stick. And then at the bottom, it says what tour stop we went to, which is Oakland. Last but not least, ooh, girl, I got this blanket. And it's basically the one that looks like a bat. And it looks so cute. And since I spent a lot of money, I got 3 photo cards. And I didn't flip them yet. So let's see who I got. Last one. Jake!
Oh, they're saying that. Yeah, they're just saying
Okay, Engine, hi, nice to meet you. Hi, Oakland. I'm Jongwon. I'm very
Bill!
We'll try Bill.
Baby, come and live with me tonight. It's an option, just sleep tight. Sleep tight. You gon' sleep that brother.
문 어떤 여러분